So hi guys, now we're gonna look at the 2021 GLC 300 facelifted model. So the big changes actually is in the front end. Okay, so if I move to the closer, you can see the obvious changes are the lights. So this actually is the multi-beam LED for the GLC 300 AMG line, while for the GLC 200 you have LED high performance. Look at the blue lightings there. So that means this is multi-beam with these two iconic DRLs. Another part is this diamond grease. This one, it houses the radar cruise control, high assistant features like the lane change assist. And also we have gloss black apartments around. So this car actually has another key fact that it makes the car even more pretty. This night package. Yes. So this car has a night package. So which means the surrounding of the grills are in black. The bumpers, the lower bumper, if you notice, always will be chrome and shiny in most of the E-Class and also the C-Class. But for GLC, they have taken the approach far better with adding this night package. So it makes the car aggressive, and at the same time it really blends in any color that you buy, no matter polar white, this obsidian black, selenite grey, or also this cavern side blue. And this color is actually blue, you know, the shade really makes it looks fantastic. So I will get you closer about this. So this whole part is actually night package, and also this whole part is night package as well. So other than that, contributes the fins. It feels like a shark fin like that, because this generates airflow to the car, and at the same time they added some patterns over here. So even though this pattern looks like two-dimensional, but if you notice inside it is three-dimensional, so it contributes to the airflow, and it also extends wider towards the number plate covers. Actually this is a one piece, but because of the number plates they have blocked the middle part, and it really forms a good aggressive look to it. Now another part about this car is actually this vents. So if you notice, for new AMG line cars, they added this part so that it will give the airflow to the wheels. Now for the engine, this has the M264 2-liter turbocharged engine, so which makes 258 horsepower and 370 Newton meters of torque. So in terms of engine and the outputs is more higher than the BMW X2 and also more higher than the Audi Q5. So another thing is this rims measured 20 inches, same size as the GLC 200, and the GLC 200 has different set of rims. So this rims is more easier to wash because they have a lot of openings surrounding this disc brake. And the tires, these are Pirelli Scorpion Special. Another prominent feature for this car is actually this skid plates. Guys, now moving towards the side view of the GLC 300 AMG line, the prominent factor that makes this car such a good design from Mercedes-Benz, especially with the sloping roofline. So even though this is not the coupe version of the GLC, but it looks sporty enough, especially going against the X3 and also the Q5. So this window line is actually in black. Obviously it's a night package, so you don't need to worry about the chrome parts that have been applied for non-night package Mercedes-Benz cars. So actually I really love it because it really blends to the car. And another thing is this mirror in gloss black. So another part of this is the gloss black roof rails. So now for the rear end, the lights is actually the same thing as the GLA. Unlike the three lines that runs through the pre-facelifted GLC, that one it doesn't really have a direction to go, but after that Mercedes-Benz have been strongly reworked in SUVs. So that's why the reason why they have applied it, because of these lights, and it's really striking. So this car is also not rear wheel drive. Unlike the GLC 200, this one is actually 4-wheel drive, so it makes a lot more easier when going up in a hill or going to off-road. And And now for the bumpers. So this car is the AMG line obviously, and together with the night package, so you can't see any chrome here barely, except for the exhaust tips, because at least it has a different combinations. Actually this part here, okay, this glossy bits here is actually chrome in the GLC 200. This one, it really makes a big design differences compared to the GLC 200. The boot, this car has 505 liters of boot space, so it is 10 liters lesser than the X3, 5 liters higher than the Audi Q5. So in terms of boot size, it's really well balanced, so you can load heavy items like what if you go for IKEA, so you can really load up furnitures easily. And also if you want some extra spaces, you have some power folding buttons to fold the seats, so it is really easy for convenience. And also if you notice this material over here, it feels like an Alcantara material, because look at that, when I draw towards the fingers, it really changes the color. So actually, if you want even more space, then what you can do is access via here. And we don't have spare wheels, so without the spare wheels, right, it has a lot more space and you can load a lot of more items over here. Heavy duty tonneau cover over here, so obviously SUVs, they will have this feature here, but you have power boot actually.